here at Brainerd Optimist drag strip, Ringgold Georgia. Opening day of the season, just for some Sunday testing tune. Been the first time I've been to the track in years. Really enjoying it. All the sounds, smells. Thanks to Josh and Andy for bringing me out. But if he can go get some. Leave here and go get some champions. Get one more pass in here. Hopefully y'all can see. I know there used to be a fence up there. I don't think it's gonna be a good pass. It's gonna be a pass. I don't think it's gonna be a fast one. Might be surprised. As long as you're making passes, that's all that matters. Ride along with somebody. Come on, fella, get it in there. All right. Shit, we'll give y'all one more. Longer since I've been to the strip. Say Brainerd Optimist here in Ringgold, Georgia. Kevin, the blind leg mechanic out.